Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer files between Android and iPhone devices. So if you use two devices at the same time, changing files from iPhone to Android to iPhone is very tough. You can see it's the iPhone and it's the Android. So let me show you how to transfer files between these two devices. Previously, I used ShareIt, but ShareIt has some trouble. That's why currently I use the best method, which is local send. You can see here it's local send. You can see local send. So install local send on both of the devices. Go to your App Store in iPhone and Play Store in Android and write local send. Okay, write local send. Okay, if you write local send, you will find this app, local send. Here, install this app or install this app in your Android device. So after installing, open these both device, and here you can see it's the Android phone. And what I suggest you to first of all rename this phone, because renaming helps you to identify your device. Okay, so right here iPhone, because it's my iPhone. Okay, iPhone, done. Now restart, just reopen this app, because reopening will instantly rename. You can see it's the iPhone and it's the Android phone. Now if I want to send files from iPhone to Android, so here click send. Here you can see the Android phone is already showing, because both of the phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, it's mandatory to connect the same Wi-Fi. Shamim Wi-Fi. Both of the Wi-Fi name is similar. So here click receive. Okay. So first of all, check the files that you would like to send. So if you want to send media, let's say I will send two photos from here and select confirm. So you can see two photos are now showing, and then if you just press on the Android phone, you can see it's now asking to receive. So click accept, and there you go. The files are transferred within seconds. So if you click done, you will see these files are now saved to your gallery. And you can see the files are now transferred without any issue. So that is the way how you can transfer files between iPhone to Android without any issue. It's one of the best method I'm using so far, and I'm so much happy with this. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Tweets to get more tutorial like this. Thank you.